Maybe Neo wants the yogurt. Neo, do you want the yogurt?
No, I want the ice cream.
You want ice cream? Yogurt.
Yay.
We eat the yogurt. Don't go. Mommy will give it to you. Wait.
So, hello, baby.
Wait.
No, baby again.
Baby again. One only, okay?
Yummy. Look at the other one.
What color is that?
Blue.
What's the taste?
What is the ice cream?
That's ice cream? That's yogurt.
Yeah, ice cream.
That's frozen yogurt.
Yes.
What's the taste? You like it?
Yes.
Yummy?